Hey y'all, so I'm about to get some breakfast going here. I'm gonna make a spinach omelet. And so I have an egg and milk and also some garlic powder and some cayenne pepper in my bowl here. And we're gonna just mix this. And we're gonna get started on a spinach omelet. All right, here we go. We got our olive oil in here. Woo, that's hot. Got our leftover spinach here. Put some of that in there. So far so good. Let's see if we can flip it. Hopefully we don't have another omelet fail. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Turn down the heat. Oh, it's looking like it might be another omelet fail. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Not the prettiest omelet, but we're going to be able to salvage it. I may have put too much milk in there. Made the egg too thin. And I also may have put in too much egg again. I mean too much spinach. I have a little bit of spinach left over. I'm just going to have that on the side, I guess. I'll go ahead and put it in the skillet so it can get warm. I think she's about ready. I'm going to flip her one more time. And then we're going to take her out. Check the technique. Lack of technique. Y'all can go back and check out my omelet fail video where I tried to make an omelet and wind up making a scramble. Check that one out. Check out the omelet fail video. All right, we're gonna take her out, get a plate here. We're gonna plate her up. Let me flip her one more time. See how I have to flip it, take the skillet up, because that makes it come down a little bit more on the spatula. So you live and you learn. I need less milk, maybe less spinach inside, and maybe a bigger skillet, I'm thinking. What do y'all think? All right, we're gonna plate her up. There we go.